Hello world.
Hey everyone.
Who is that?
Daniel.
Oh Daniel, do you want to do this grocery haul for me?
Oh no, I don't
Do you know how to do a grocery haul?
I don't know how to do a grocery haul.
Hi, it's Rose. Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan.
Hey guys, I'm back.
This is my friend Daniel. You love him. He's back.
I'm back.
I don't love him so much today. Just kidding.
Oh, so mean to me.
Okay, so we're gonna do Dan Cam.
Okay.
So Dan's gonna film this because you've watched enough of my videos to know how this works, right?
I think this is gonna be the worst, I can't even talk.
So I'm back in London for a week. I'm staying at Daniel's cause we be best friends for life.
Okay. So Rose, what are we doing?
Fixing my hair.
Other than fixing your hair.
So, we have been out all day. Oh my gosh, what is happening?
What is going on with your hair? Seriously.
Hi guys. So we are going to be doing a grocery haul of all the things that we bought. And we're also going to be filming a recipe video of Daniel's famous curry.
Yay.
The only curry that he's ever made in his entire life.
That is not true.
It's true.
Okay, sure.
When I used to live in London with Daniel, like literally every single day he would just make curry. But it was great. It's delicious.
It was delicious. You liked it.
And I'm very excited. Do you have sriracha?
No.
Daniel, what is this?
I know.
What?
I know.
When you signed up to be my friend, did you not know?
Sriracha's compulsory. I should have had it in my house.
What is this nonsense? Okay, anyways.
I'll get some tomorrow.
I may be able to deal with it.
Anyway.
We're gonna show you a vegan grocery haul. A British one, which I haven't done in so long. I know when I first started my channel, I did so many grocery hauls, and people love them. People love my grocery hauls, so we're gonna show you everything I got. It's not a lot of stuff, but
that's breakfast and lunch and.
Okay, so you go.
All right. Okay, so you can see that Rose purchased some delicious berries. So those
What are these?
Those are red blackberries. Or blueberry. Those be black. It's not focusing. Oh, there we go. Rose. Okay, so these two were 2 for £1.
Yeah.
Then we got the blueberries.
This thing for £1.
For £1.
That's quite massive.
Yeah, that's a huge amount of blueberries.
Rose for scale.
Whoa, it's like as big as your head. There we go. Delicious. And those were £1, so that's £2 we're at too.
And then I really wanted these tomatoes.
So we got cherry tomatoes.
Because I really want tomatoes. And like cherry tomatoes in Canada are really expensive.
Yeah. So how much were those, Rose?
This was £1.
Loving this hair.
How I look.
You look amazing. Okay.
We got some broccoli.
Beautiful. Yes. And how much was the broccoli, Rose?
This was £1.
Whoa. For 2 massive
for 2.
things. Yeah.
Massive things of broccoli, guys. And then we also got some pineapple slices.
Yeah.
This is for the curry that we're going to be making very shortly. Watch out for the video coming soon to a YouTube channel near you. Subscribe to Cheap Lazy Vegan.
Yeah.
We also have some lighter coconut milk because I asked Daniel to buy the lighter coconut milk. Because, you know, you got to watch the, waistline.
Me especially.
It's just a can of coconut milk, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's also
that's
also for the curry, yeah.
What this be, Dan?
That's an onion. I feel like I'm drunk, but I haven't had anything to drink.
I feel sober, but when I'm doing this, I feel drunk.
I know.
This is an onion.
we have an onion that Rose is modeling for us. Please don't bite it.
Oh, I really wanted this. All Pro. I missed this.
Do we have it in Canada or no?
No.
No.
But no.
No.
This is just soy yogurt.
Yeah.
And I was like seriously addicted to this stuff when I lived in London.
I like the individual packages that are flavored you can take for lunches.
Yeah, but the plain one's really good too.
Yeah.
Like fruit. So we wanted to have it with our next product.
Whoa!
Muesli.
Let's take it. I want to zoom in on this.
So make sure you check the ingredients list when you buy muesli, guys.
Why is that, Rose?
Because there might be some milk ingredients or honey. So I think this with the yogurt.
That's gonna be breakfast tomorrow.
Fruit, the berries will be breakfast.
Perfect.
And then we also got some soy milk for Daniel because I've been having your soy milk. And
so Rose is replenishing the
I'm replenishing the sources.
The rations.
The rations.
Because things are quite rationed in my house at the moment.
Daniel has like no food in his house.
Because I haven't gone grocery shopping, okay?
We also got some brown basmati rice by Sainsbury's. Not sponsored by Sainsbury's, by the way. Great results in 20 minutes.
Ooh, well, we'll
Daniel almost got the white rice because he wanted to save 30p, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get the brown rice.
And also because I'm wet as hell.
We also got some red lentils.
Mmm, gotta love those
We're a
lentils.
big fan of the lentils.
Oh, and these red ones are the best, honestly.
They cook faster than brown lentils or green lentils. Oh my god, seriously, I think I'm high on something.
On life.
What's going on?
On life.
The last thing, guys.
What is it?
Closed cup white mushrooms. Hi guys. Buy my merch.
Oh,
Y'all
yeah.
buy my merch.
My favorite type of man is ramen.
And how much did everything cost, Daniel?
Oh, I have no idea because you bought some and I bought some.
I think I spent like £6.
Okay.
And Daniel spent like £4. Oh no, I spent £6 at Sainsbury's.
Plus another 4.
And then I spent another, so I spent about £10.
And I spent 4.
So about £15
Yeah.
for everything. Pretty cheap,
Not
right?
bad.
I don't know if that's cheap. Is that cheap?
I think so because we got a lot of stuff. Like that's quite a few. We could make quite a few meals out of this.
£15, guys, for all this food.
Beautiful.
And I bought some, you know, vegetables.
And a lot of berries, and berries are usually expensive, right?
No, berries are expensive, and I kind of want some berries right now.
Anyway.
Anyways, okay. So we're gonna make some curry, and we might film Daniel's famous curry.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show we're gonna show you how we're gonna make it.
Rose.
Hey,
Okay.
I'm on vacation.
This is true. You are on vacation.
Anyways, we're gonna make some curry, and we're gonna show you guys how to make it, and that will be in a future video.
Yay!
So I would like to thank you all for watching.
Thanks, guys.
If you enjoyed this video,
Thumbs up. And subscribe to Cheap Lazy Vegan.
wee! And you can follow my vlog channel for us craziness, for more craziness.
A dose of Rose, right?
A dose of rose. Do you want a dose of rose?
#1 fan.
Are you really? He never watches my videos.
I'm gonna start the Cheap Lazy Vegan fan club.
Okay, I'm gonna hold you to this.
Are you? Oh god damn. Don't hold me to nothing.
Say bye, Dan.
Bye guys.
Bye.